Hi, it's Maxine from Twinkle.
Today I'll be showing you some different ways that you can use stick puppets. We have a variety of stick puppets on the Twinkle website to support a whole range of different topics. Children can use stick puppets to act out and to retell familiar stories. Can they remember what happens in the story? Children can use our stick puppets to learn about different job roles. Why not combine our stick puppets with a small world background and even add in some props? This way children can act out different scenarios. Children may use stick puppets outdoors when learning about a particular topic. For example, woodland animals. Can they name them? What do they eat? Where do they live? Can they make them a home? Children might use stick puppets alongside familiar counting songs or rhymes. Can they act out what is happening in the song? Can they count the correct amount? Can they take one away?
Four little men in a flying saucer flew round the earth one day. They looked left and right, but they didn't like the sight, so one man flew away.
Hope you find this useful. See you next time.